In this video, I will show you how to install Play Store on your Windows PC. If you found this guide useful, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to see more tutorials like this. Let's jump in and check it out. Open Microsoft Edge. In the search bar, type Play Store. You want to click this first option, play.google.com. Then in the upper right corner, click the three dots. Go down and hover your mouse over More Tools. In the corresponding menu on the left, hover your mouse over Apps. You will see this option, Install this site as an app. Click that. You can change the name of the app. I'll change it to Play Store and click Install. You can bring the app to the taskbar, to the Start menu, and also create desktop shortcut. I would like to create desktop shortcut. I will check that and hit Allow. We have successfully installed Play Store on our Windows PC. To see if the app is actually installed, let's go to our desktop, which you see the Play Store icon. That's the easiest way to download Play Store on your Windows PC. If you found this guide useful, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.